Sometimes we all must have observed that motivation is really overrated. Today's chapter summary is related to this topic. Chapter 6. Motivation is overrated. Environment matters more. Harnessing the power of your surroundings for lasting habits. In Chapter 6 of Atomic Habits titled Motivation is Overrated, Environment Matters More, author James Clear challenges the commonly held belief that motivation is the key to habit formation. Instead, he highlights the critical role of our environment in shaping our behaviors and offers strategies to optimize our surroundings for lasting habit change. Clear emphasizes that while motivation can be fleeting and unreliable, our environment can have a consistent and profound impact on our habits. By strategically designing our surroundings, we can create cues, reduce friction, and increase the likelihood of performing desired habits. The author explores the significance of cues in triggering and reinforcing habits. He suggests making cues that prompt the desired behavior obvious and easily accessible while minimizing or eliminating cues that lead to unwanted habits. By placing visual reminders or setting up environmental cues that align with that desired habits, we increase the likelihood of engaging into that behavior. Clear also emphasizes the importance of reducing friction in our environment to make it easier to perform desired habits. By removing barriers, simplifying processes, and streamlining our surroundings, we can minimize the effort required to engage in that habit, making it more likely to be repeated. This could involve organizing our environment, laying out necessary tools or materials in advance, or creating systems that facilitate the habit. Furthermore, the author explores the impact of social environment on habit formation. He suggests that surrounding ourselves with individuals who have similar habits or actively support our desired behaviors can significantly influence our habits. Building a positive and supportive social network can help reinforce habits and provide accountability. In summary, Chapter 6 of Atomic Habits emphasizes the importance of our environment in shaping our habits. By strategically designing our surroundings, optimizing cues, reducing friction, and cultivating a supportive social network, we can create an environment that fosters lasting habits. Rather than relying solely on motivation, we can harness the power of our environment to make habit formation easier and more sustainable. Here we end. Do share it with your friends and relatives. See you soon in the next video.